Hello guys, once again it's Otaki. Subscribe to the channel guys in order to keep up the content. So the thing is, for this video, if you have startups or like projects and you want to make customers for your project instantly driven with AI powered chatbot, which is a hard way to do that. So you want to integrate the chatbot for your project. All what you need to do, open browser and then go for YZ and go for the first link here guys. As first step is gonna be free, which is an AI created with to help customer support, so you'll get started for free. And here we'll go for login and sign up steps. I will go for Google, I'll go for Otaki solution, I'll go for continue, and there you go guys, which the model that you are gonna use it for your chatbot. I'm gonna use Grok 3, and here like you can like create chatbot assistants and so on, and you can use that widget one. So the thing is, like, here you will have the settings one. So here how you can help the context, the instructions that you need to do it, the end result if you have API keys and so on, the widget design, how it's gonna be work, like the thing for the AI instances, and the publish chatbot, which is you can get a frame for it and you can public it, the conversation rate, which is here about the members that using chatbots, the leads, the web pages that it is instantly using the chatbots, the files, the Q&A, the integration here guys, you can integrate it via Zapier, Make, or on Telegram. And for the settings one, the chatbot name, the conversation language that is used, the leads, and the domain access, how to can get it. That's it, how you can integrate your chatbot guys for your business. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.